right, there is a formation of what, 20 AB, right. So when you mix this, you are getting what, so here bond length what happens, 10 AA, very small bond length. So here also short bond you can see here, means the stronger bond, right. Force of attraction ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, bond length ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, right. Shorter bond length. So here you are getting the same AB from what, A and B. So new bond formed here, but bond length ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, so bond length is becomes what, larger compared to this one, right. So then hence what happens, when bond length increases, then the bond strength become what, decreases, force of attraction becomes what, decreases. So that ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, bond length ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದರೆ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಏನಾಗಲೇಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ, ಸೊ ಸ್ಲೈಟ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ you should have, hence what happens, the volume becomes what, positive, right. So this is the first thing you can observe here, the force of attraction between molecule A and B and B. So in the pure state is greater than the force of attraction in the solution, that is A and B. Hence what happens, so due to that what happens, the bond length is what, large. So due to that what happens, bond length is greater, so bond strength becomes what, weak. So weak bond you can say it is weak bond. Hence what happens, here you have the strong bond, there is no the breakage of the bond. So breaking of AA is become difficulty, breaking of BB is difficulty, but there is a probability what happens, the breakage of AB may takes place. So ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, so here you have the vapor pressure, here also you have vapor pressure, and here also you have the vapor pressure. So this is PA and this is PB and PAB, the mixture PAB, right. So probability what happens, the vapor pressure in a mixture becomes greater compared to these two things, right. ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವೇಪರ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ಗಿಂತ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೊ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ವೀಕರ್, ಹೆನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಬಿಕಮ್ ವಾಟ್, ಈಸಿಲಿ ಬ್ರೋಕನ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ದಿಸ್ A and B they easily what, get into the what, where, so in vapor states, from the liquid they are converted into vapor phase. So liquid state ಇಂದ vapor state ಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, then what happens, they shows what, vapor pressure with respect to what, PAB, right. Hence what happens, when you mix that two solution, pure component A and B, when you mix it, so then the vapor pressure becomes what, maybe greater than this, right. So greater, hence what happens, the vapor pressure. So if I plot the graph, very important here, plot the graph. So x A is equal to 0, x A is equal to 1, right. So this is the vapor pressure of what, x, right. So P is equal to XA, PA is equal to XA into P naught A, right. In the same way I will write it for what, so PB is equal to what, right. So for this PB is equal to XB and then P naught B. So for this, so here what happens, x B equal to what, 1 and x B equal to what, 0 here, and if I draw here total vapor pressure we are getting. So like this what happens, this is for the ideal solution, but so when I come for the non-ideal solution which shows the positive deviation, so here what happens, vapor pressure becomes what, more. So total vapor pressure ಏನಾಗಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ, greater ಆಗಬಹುದು, right. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, so in this also you are getting what, positive. So here you are getting what, positive, right. So the graph, if I plot the graph between the mole fraction and the vapor pressure, so in ideal solution we are getting straight line, but in non-ideal solution which shows positive deviation, so you are getting what, deviation. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಇನ್ನು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದರಿಂದ ವೇಪರ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ increases for the solution, hence you are getting what, maximum. ಸೊ ಗ್ರಾಫಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದೇನಾಗಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಾ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲಿಂಗ್, ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಾ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ the molecules in the solutions have greater tendency to escape, hence vapor pressure of the component in the mixture is more than that particular solution, hence the graph of partial vapor pressure versus mole fraction consists of curve having the maxima, So next what happens, so when there is a formation of AB, so AB formation agide, so A ide, B ide, and there is a formation of AB. So to form the AB, so there is what, there must be broken of AA and then BB. So bond must be broken between AA and the BB, and there is a what formation of what AB. So when the formation of AB bond takes place, then what energy is released, right? Energy is released, we know that, right? So bond enthalpy anta helteve, released bond enthalpy, right? So the energy of this bond or else released energy, so during the formation of bond, is depending upon A and B attraction, how they are going to attract, what is the force of attraction. So here we are having what, lesser force of attraction, there is a formation of what, weak bond. So when that weak bond is formed, the energy released is too less, right? Energy released is too less, so that whatever the released energy is consumed for the breaking of this A and then BB. So A matte B anna break aglike ee energy anna use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ where in ideal solution, but ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. There is no sufficient amount of energy which is present here, hence what happens, it requires more and more energy. ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಹೊರಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಹೀಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ಹೀಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್, so when you mix it, then we have to heat it, then hence what happens, delta H after mixing what happens, so you should give energy, so you should supply energy, hence becomes what, delta H becomes what, positive. So enthalpy ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Heat is absorbed during the mixing. Heat ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಬ್ಸಾರ್ಬ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆ, as the attraction force AB is less, the heat is evolved during the mixing, not sufficient to overcome the force of attraction between the pure component. As a result, energy is absorbed from the surroundings. Surrounding ಇಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಅಬ್ಸಾರ್ಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿ ಬಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಎ ಬಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ವೀಕ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಎ ಬಿ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆವಾಗ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಟು ಬ್ರೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿ ಬಿ ಬಿ. So it is not sufficient, hence what happens, the system tries to get the energy from the outside or else the surrounding, right? Adrinda enagutte, energy is absorbed during the mixing. So very important, they ask why delta H mixing is positive for the positive deviation. So why, they will ask, so then you have to write this reason. So adrinda enagide, explanation anna kottidene illi. The last already we have learned, that is there is an increase in volume during the mixing. So why? Because the same thing, due to the weaker force of attraction in the molecule remain more and more distant. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಾಂಡ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, more and more distant from each other in the mixture, hence the molecule occupy a larger volume after mixing. So ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ, ಸೊ 10 ml ಇದ್ದರೆ 20 ml ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ 21 ಅಥವಾ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಕಮ್, it's a greater value. So due to the weaker force of attraction, the molecules remains more distant from each other in the mixture, right? Hence the molecules occupy a larger volume after mixing. Okay, so next we will go for the some of the exam. Just take down the screenshot. So ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು explanation ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ವಿ. ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ಗೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಡಿವಿಯೇಷನ್ ಬರೆದ್ರಾಯ್ತು. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಎಚ್ ಆನ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ದ ನೋಟ್ಸ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದೆಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್? So example. So what are the examples? Number 1 example. So that is nothing but ethanol and the acetone. Ethanol and acetone. So first thing is ethanol and the acetone, and then benzene and the acetone. Benzene and acetone. So ethanol and the acetone and the benzene and the acetone. At the end you have what? Ethanol and water. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ethanol ಮತ್ತೆ water. And water. Benzene. First thing is ethanol and acetone. Second one is benzene and the acetone. Third one ethanol and water. At the last you have what? carbon tetrachloride and the benzene. Carbon tetrachloride and benzene. Acetone. Okay, acetone. Ethanol, acetone, benzene, acetone, ethanol, water, and fourth one carbon tetrachloride. Carbon tetrachloride and the benzene. So these are the example for what? Non-ideal solution which shows the positive deviation. So graph already I have given, so just note it down. Okay. Right. So now what about the negative non-ideal solution showing what? Negative deviation. So negative deviation, right? So here what happens, force of attraction between molecule A and B in a pure state is lesser, okay, is lesser than that force of attraction in the solution A and B. Same thing we can explain here, right? Simply we can explain here the same way. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಡಿವಿಯೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, ಸೊ ಎ you have AA and then you have BB, right? You can add it, then you are getting what? Then you are getting what? AB, right? So volume ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ವಿ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ವಾಟ್? ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್, ಈಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ 10 ml ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ, ಸೊ 10 ml ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ, ಐಡಿಯಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 20 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟ್? 19 ml. ಸೊ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ವಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್? ಸೊ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, 19 ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು, 20, ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು, -1. ಸೊ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಲೆಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ವಿ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ವೈ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ವಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ರೀಸನ್ ಏನು? ಸೊ 10 ml ಇದನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಿ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 19 ml ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಥವಾ 18 ml ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇಟ್? ಸೊ ದ ರೀಸನ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಇನ್ molecular level, so then you can understand what is the bond strength. So bond strength and the bond length both, from that you can explain why the volume changed and why delta H on mixing becomes what? Negative here. So why, right? So we will see here what is the force of attraction of AA and what is the force of attraction of BB, and so when you add it, so then you are getting new bond formed here, new bond. So what is the bond, right? AB, right? AB, right? For your understanding I will write AA. So bond length nodili, bond length enagide, so it is becomes larger, right? So compared to the bond strength enagide namage, bond strength is more here, bond strength. So I will write bond strength. Bond strength enagide for this less compared to the pure compound, the mixture has the more bond strength. So bond strength ಆದರೆ bond length ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, so bond length here, bond length here more and here less. So bond length ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, so greater bond length here, right? So when you mix it, the bond length becomes what? Shorter, and there is a force of attraction become what? More and more. ಯಾವಾಗ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ force of attraction ಆಗುತ್ತೆ A ಮತ್ತು B ನಡುವೆ, ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ, A and B formed and the bond length becomes what? Shorter. Hence there is a reduction in volume. So volume ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ, ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ because of this bond length and the bond strength and the force of attraction. The force of attraction becomes greater when you are having the mixture. So when you mix it, right, the AB molecule, the force of attraction increases and then volume decreases. Now what about the delta H? So delta H ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆದಾಗ, right? So here what happens, the bond strength becomes what? More. So bond strength ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, so when the formation of AB takes place and the bond strength becomes what? more. So bond strength becomes more. So when the force of attraction becomes more and more, the bond strength becomes more and more. So then what happens? Energy is released. So energy is released, right? The released amount of energy is used for what? The breaking of what? Weaker bond. A and B are weaker bond. So if it is 100 joule, some joule, right? 100 kilojoule energy is released, right? For to breaking this bond. So totally the energy is required only 60 kilojoule, 60, right? So released here 100, they are totally using what? 60 for particular mole. So then what happens? Extra energy is there. What is that? 40. 40 is extra energy there. So hence what happens? The energy becomes more here, right? Energy, whatever the energy released, it becomes greater to extent of what? Using energy here, right? So whatever the energy is required, so particular amount, so from that what happens? Higher energy is released, required amount ginta enagutte higher energy release agutte, hence the extra energy is what? Here present, and they are, when you mix it, they will release it to the surroundings. Energy is released to the surroundings. So here what happens? Energy is absorbed where? So in positive, the heat is released. Heat is released during mixing, hence delta H mixing becomes what? Negative. So as the attractive force AB is more, okay, AB is more, then heat is absorbed, heat is released during the mixing, and it is sufficient. Okay, so I will write it once again, this one, and just wait. Okay, so just you can see here, I have written here, the heat evolved, so heat is released or heat is evolved during the mixing, right? As the attractive force of AB is stronger than that, heat is evolved during the mixing more than the energy required to overcome the attractive force of the pure component. So ಇದನ್ನ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, and whatever the energy is consumed here, so it is less compared to the energy is released, hence extra energy is formed here, and that energy is released, right? So heat is evolved after the mixing. So hence you can see here, so whatever the vapor pressure, so partial vapor pressure what is formed here, so after mixing what happens? There is a formation of bond, strong bond takes place between A and B. So A ಮತ್ತು B ನಡುವೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Strong bond formation ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? The escaping tendency becomes what? Very very less. The molecules in the solutions have the lesser tendency to escape. Hence the vapor pressure of the component in the mixture is less. The graph of the partial vapor pressure versus mole fraction consists the curve having the minima ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು? ಮಿನಿಮಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ದಟ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಮಿನಿಮಾ. ಸೊ ವೈ? ಸೊ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ದಟ್, ರೈಟ್? ವೇಪರ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಲೆಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ದೆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಇನ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಮಿಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ವಿ ಮಿಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ದಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಮೇನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ A and B. So that is in a mixture, right? So then what happens? The stronger the force of attraction between molecules remains more and more close to each other in the mixture, hence the volume of the solution decreases. Okay, so if I plot the graph, right, so just see it. So bond strength less more, bond length more and more, and here what happens? Bond strength is different, bond length is different. ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಬಾಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತನ್ನ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಲೆಸ್ and bond strength becomes more. Bond length ಯಾಕೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ AB ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಬಾಂಡ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ there is a decrease in volume. Okay, so what are the example for this type of solution, right? Example, we have phenol and acetone, not phenol and aniline, phenol and the aniline, and then chloroform, acetone and chloroform. So in both cases what happens, the extra bond takes place, that is hydrogen bond. So hydrogen bond formation ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಫಿನೋಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅನಿಲಿನ್ ನಡುವೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಸಿಟೋನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ಲೋರೋಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನಡುವೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೆನ್ಸ್ ದ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ ಸೊ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಸ್ಕೇಪಿಂಗ್ ಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸಿ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಲೆಸ್. So if I plot the graph, right, so this is for what? So x a equal to 1, x a is equal to 0, x b, the mole fraction of b here 1, mole fraction of b what here becomes 0, right? Adrinda so idanna ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, so this pressure is related to pure of a, this pressure vapor pressure of pure component b, right? So this is the curve for what? So total, right? So expression you can write, so PA is equal to XA P naught A, and then PB is equal to XB P naught B. So that is in straight line, right? So this is for the this curve, you can understand first, right? So this is the first curve and this is the second curve. So these curves are represented what? Ideal solution. ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ideal solution ಅನ್ನ present ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ. But what we have to do here, the escaping tendency is very less. Vapor pressure if you see, because of the bond strong, A ಮತ್ತು B ನಡುವೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, strong bond formations takes place. The component becomes what? Strongly held to each other. Force of attraction is greater. Hence escaping tendency becomes less. Hence what happens? Vapor pressure become what? Decreases. So compared to the ideal solution, the vapor pressure become decreases. Hence you can see, observe here. So all the curve shows what? A negative. So negative deviation. Hence you are getting here the whatever the partial pressure versus mole fraction consists of curve having the minima. So curve having the minima. So this is the curve which is represent the which shows the negative deviation. So negative deviation. So this is 1, 2 and 3. Positive ಆದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, so this is positive and positive. Okay, so in textbook you can see clearly what exactly positive deviation and what exactly negative deviation. Okay, understand? So this is regarding what? Ideal solution and non-ideal solution. Non-ideal solution ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಟೈಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Number 1 positive deviation, second one with respect to what? Raoult's law. And the solution which shows the negative deviation with respect to what? Raoult's law. So that is negative deviation, right? Why? So very important, very important. So next is this very important. So very important. They always ask, so whatever it may be, what are azeotropes? They will ask, or else the different types, minimum boiling azeotropes. What is minimum boiling azeotropes? Give example, and then maximum boiling azeotropes, right? So what is azeotropes? Azeotropes is nothing but very simple, right? So if I take a mixture A and B, right? So A and B, and there is formation of A and B. So if I mix it, right? So then what happens? So you can separate that A and B. So you can go for the distillation. We know that distillation process and the fractional distillation. Anyhow you can separate this A and B, right? So you can separate A and B, right? So how many particles? Just you can see here. So I will add 80 A and then 20 B I have mixed it. So then if you separate, so then you should get what? 80 A and then 20 B. Right? So but what happens in azeotropes, it is not able to separate. So clearly completely A you are not able to separate and completely B you are not able to separate. So in solution or else in liquid state as well as the vapor state. So vapor state ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೆಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೆಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸಚ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ azeotropes ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ದ azeotropes. Okay, now so these are the binary mixtures having the same composition in liquid and vapor phase boil at a constant temperature. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ azeotropes ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? So these are the binary mixtures having the same composition. So composition ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, having the same composition in liquid state as well as the vapor phase. Liquid phase ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ and then vapor, both phases having the same composition and boil at a constant temperature. In such what binary mixture we are calling what azeotropes, right? So hagadre azeotropic mixture na formation madidre, so you can prepare the azeotropic mixture, right? So these mixture are not possible to separate the component by fractional distillation. It is not possible to separate that component by what? Fractional distillation. So that is the characteristics of what? Azeotropes. Fractional distillation ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Vapor phase ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, steamy ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, liquid converted into steam. But in a steam also, or else in a vapor also, what happens? They are having the same composition. Percentage of that particular composition remains as it is. There is no difference. Okay. Once again, based on the Raoult's law, so we can classify azeotropes two types. Number one is minimum boiling azeotropes. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು? ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ azeotropes ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ azeotropes ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? The boiling point of that azeotropes becomes less, right? So when you mix that particular component, okay. So what about this minimum boiling azeotropes? See here, the solution which show large positive deviation from the Raoult's law. So Raoult's law ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Large positive deviation ಬರುತ್ತೆ, right? Large positive deviation ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ನಮಗೆ vapor pressure becomes more and more. So if the more and more vapor pressure, ಆವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Boiling point becomes what? Decreases. Boiling point or the boiling point ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Decrease ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Suppose if you see what is boiling point? So boiling point is nothing but so this is liquid, right? Water ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, so you can boil it, ಆವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Vapor phase ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. So liquid H2O, so liquid phase converted into what? It's a gaseous phase or else vapor phase, right? So when this vapor pressure, right, when this vapor pressure of what? Water, and it is equal to become what? 1 atmospheric pressure or else atmospheric pressure, so then you can say this is the boiling point. So boiling point, right? So boiling point ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೇಪರ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? ಸೊ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ವೇಪರ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನಾನೊಂದು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ತೇನೆ, ವೇಪರ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಇಸ್ ನಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್? ಸೊ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಐ give the temperature, if I raise the temperature, so flame ಅನ್ನು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ ಯಾವುದು? ವೇಪರ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ನಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ದ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರಿಕ್ pressure. Just if you increase the temperature, ಆವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ದ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರಿಕ್. ಆವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಲೆಸ್. ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಲೆಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಸೊ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ವೇಪರ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್, ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಡಿವಿಯೇಷನ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, they will show the minimum boiling azeotropes. For example, ethanol and the water. So ethanol ಮತ್ತು ವಾಟರನ್ನು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ at particular concentration, so that is nothing but 95% volume of ethanol and then 5% of what? 5% of what? Water. So mix ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 100% ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So this is the form what? The minimum boiling azeotropes. ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ನಮಗೆ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ azeotropes ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು 95% ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ 95% ಆಫ್ ethanol if you take it. So if I go for the fractional distillation once again, so ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ವಾಟರನ್ನು ತೆಗಿತೇನೆ ಅಥವಾ ಎಥನಾಲನ್ನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಾಗಿ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟನ್ನು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಇಂಟು ವೇಪರ್, so in vapor phase also what happens? There is a 95% of what? Ethanol. So 95% of ethanol ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು 5% ವಾಟರ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ಕಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಳೋದು, ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಕಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ದಿ ವೇಪರ್ ಫೇಸ್. ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ದಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್? ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ದಟ್ ಕಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ in the both liquid and vapor phase having the same composition, so 95%, adrinda enagutte namage separate ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. So the boiling point is very very less here, hence this is called the minimum boiling azeotropes. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? minimum boiling azeotropes ಎನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು, right? So this is for what? 95% of what? Methanol. Okay, so next, maximum boiling azeotropes. What is the maximum boiling azeotropes? Maximum boiling azeotropes is nothing but the solution which shows the large negative deviation, right? Large negative deviation from the Raoult's law forms what? They form the maximum boiling azeotropes in a specific composition, right? So the best example ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 68% of nitric acid and 32% of water by mass. So weight ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 68% of nitric acid ಅನ್ನು 32% ವಾಟರ್ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ನಮಗೊಂದು ಮಿಕ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. at with the boiling point ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, so a mixture in the boiling point, so with the particular boiling point, what is the boiling point? 393.5 Kelvin temperature, hence maximum boiling azeotropes we are getting. That particular mixture ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 68% nitric acid and then 32% of water by mass. If you add it, so the boiling point changes and then they will start to boil where exactly 393.5 Kelvin temperature. So that is the maximum boiling azeotropes anta helthivi. So very simple, what is azeotropes? These are the binary mixtures having the same composition in liquid as well as the vapor phase and boil at a constant temperature. So both that composition eradu kuda enagutte, so they are readily boil at this particular temperature. So they boil at constant temperature. So minimum boiling azeotropes and the maximum boiling azeotropes. So these are the two types, very important. Okay.